Hi guys, welcome back to my channel at bizyjoe.com. So today I'll be showing you how to connect your laptop to your system, your WhatsApp to your system, so that you can be chatting using your system. So it's very easy and very simple. So let's get started. So let me go to my WhatsApp. I'll go to WhatsApp. Then once I get WhatsApp, these three dots here, I'll just click on these three dots. I will see link device or linked devices. So I'll just click on those devices. So once I will now click on link device, then I will say use mobile data. So I'll just unlock with my fingerprint. So it's now time to scan. You scan with your system. So you open your system on data, then you go to web.whatsapp.com. Just search web.whatsapp.com. So the step is also here. You can open WhatsApp on your phone, go to menu or setting. So once I'm here, what I need to do is just to search and scan. Yeah, as you can see, it's scanning, it's logging me in. So once that is completed, then I will successfully connect my phone, WhatsApp, and my laptop so that I can be chatting with my laptop while I keep my phone aside. So that's the advantage of connecting your WhatsApp and your phone. Or you can download the WhatsApp app on your laptop. You can actually download the WhatsApp app on your laptop and start using it. So it's already connected. So I'm waiting for that of my system to start showing WhatsApp. As you can see, it's connected. So as we are waiting for it to connect, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to hit the subscription button down below and the bell notification button close to it to get notified anytime you get an awesome video like this. So as you can see, it's already connected. I have successfully connected my laptop and phone via WhatsApp together. So thanks for watching this video. Please do well to give this video a like, comment, and share with your friends.